Welcome back, guys. I will be playing a new game. It's called I Am Cat. I made a little weapon collection, but I need 2 more weapons. So I will get this knife, just in case Granny comes. She's trying to hit me with the knife. You know what? We're gonna test it out because I actually never tested out this game. So. Grandma? Yeah, I think she's dead. I'm gonna go to my weapons collection and add this there. Oh, crap. Crap. Place that there. Get the bat. Need it. Ouch. You know what? Get out. I'm gonna poke her in her back. Oh yeah, she done. Yeah, my grandma got hit by a bazooka, guys. My grandma just got hit by a bazooka. Haha.
Затрошки.
Smooch.
Затрошки.
Oh, I was under something. No.
Затрошки. Yoga.
Yeah, Grandma. Yeah.
Поносил.
Where'd the bat go? The most OP weapon. The bat. It disappeared. No. Okay.
I want it.
Did you just say that you want that? You already have one. What you meant? Oh, the leg is in the worst stance ever, bruh. Time to feed the fishies.
Yoga, fly joke for me.
It's fish time. It's fish time, bruh. It's fish time. It's fish time.
You've got to for me.
You know what? Yeah, get a headshot.
You get fun for me. You get fun for me.
I have to get back to the fishes. I have to feed them.
Goodness you. You get fun for me.
Oh my!
You get fun for me.
You know what? Hold on. Grandma. They had enough food. I'm hiding this.
You've got to for me. You've got to for me.
This is what you get, Grandma, for hitting me with the frying pan every day. You deserve this. Yeah. We're gonna put this down. Okay. That will be all for this video. Bye, guys. This will be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And be prepared for Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 movie. It's coming out April 1st. I pre-recorded it. Now, you just gotta wait. We can pick her up. Hold up. Before I end the video, we gotta do this. Ready? Oh yeah, she's done. She's done. Okay, anyways, that is all for this video, guys. Be prepared for Poppy Playtime Chapter 2.